Hey there, just Jeremiah here. It is July 25th, 2021, Sunday. Sometimes these days are messed up, I forget to check. But yeah, I'm in Roseburg. I got to ride down. I hitched down. Nice guy, Sammy. Yeah, great day. Got to make some new friends. Good day. I'm in Roseburg. How much can you say? Maybe this is all. Gotta at least get it to 30 seconds. Love you, bye. Alright, some Cajun chicken tenderloin. Got some meat. Got some real food, guys. Thank you, Grocery Outlet. Grocery Outlet's a cheap food store over here on the West Coast. Buffalo Ranch Chop Kit, yeah. Kombucha, yeah. I'm a happy boy. Got a meal coming with some real protein, some salad, hot food, kombucha, eat some Tylenol, find a spot to camp, wake up, go panhandle for some weed. There's $2 grams here in town. It's good, it smelled good. Feeling awesome, feeling great. Excited to head north. I feel like I'll be in Portland by tomorrow. Not sure why. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. This might be it, but who knows? See ya.